Number 244, 27 school children were asked to form three groups such that the third group has two more members than the first group, and the second group will have one member less than the third group. How many members will the first group have? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 7, 10, 8, 12, and 9. Okay, so let's analyze the problem. 27 school children were asked to form three groups. So that means the total of the three groups is equal to 27. If we add the members of the three groups, the sum is 27. So they form three groups such that the third group has two, two more. So that means we will add two more members than the first group. Okay? So let X be the number of the first group. Okay? So let X be the number of the first group. And according to the problem, the third group has two more members than the first group. So therefore, the expression for the third group is X plus 2 because they have two more two more members than the first group. Okay, and then let's form the equation for the second group. Okay, so form the expression for the second group, and the second group will have one member less. One member less, so that means we will subtract one member less than the third group. So we are comparing to the third group. So the third group is X plus 2. So the third group is X plus 2. And then we will subtract 1 because the second group will have one member less. One member less, so X plus 2 minus 1. And then simplify this, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So the expression for the second group is X plus 1. Okay? So the question is, how many member will the first group have? So we're looking for the number of the first group, and the expression for the first group is X. So just find the value of X. So we know that from the first statement, 27 school children. Okay? So the total of the first group, second group, and the third group is 27. So therefore, just add the expression. So we have X, the first group, plus the second group is X plus 1. So this is the second group, first group, second group, and then the third group. So we add the three groups. So we have third group is X plus 2. The total is equal to 27. And then just solve for X. That is the number of members of the first group. Okay, so just solve for X. So let's combine the X. So we have 3X, X plus X plus X. So that is 3X. Combine the numbers, 1 plus 2. So we have 3x plus 3 equals 27. Combine the 3 and 27. So subtract 3 to both sides. So therefore, we have 3x is equal to 27 minus 3. That is equal to 24. And then last step, to solve for x, divide both sides by 3. Therefore, the value of x is 24 divided by 3 is 8. So therefore, the answer is letter C, 8. There are 8 members in first group. Okay? 8 members in first group. For the second group, x plus 1. So this will be 9. And then for the third group, x plus 2, that will be 10. If we add this, 8 plus 10 plus 9, that is equal to 27. Okay? So the answer is letter C, 8, the number of first group. Follow me for more content like this.